In this video, I'll guide you through how to disable or pause a website on Cloudflare. This is useful if you're troubleshooting an issue, moving hosting providers, or just need to temporarily bypass Cloudflare's services without changing your DNS records permanently. Before we begin, it's important to understand what pausing Cloudflare actually does. When you pause a site on Cloudflare, traffic to your domain stops going through Cloudflare's network and security features. Instead, visitors connect directly to your origin server using your existing DNS records. Your DNS stays managed in Cloudflare, but features like caching, firewall rules, and performance optimizations are turned off for that site. This is temporary and fully reversible, which makes it a safe option for testing. To get started, sign into your Cloudflare dashboard using your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the domains you've added to your account. Find the domain you want to pause. If you have many domains, you can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly locate it. Click on the domain name to open its main overview page. You should now be on the overview page for that specific site. This page shows a summary of your configuration, traffic, and status. We're going to move to a specific area on this screen that controls advanced settings. Scroll down on this page until you reach the bottom right area of the screen. If your window is narrow, this section might appear lower on the page or slightly rearranged, so take your time and scroll slowly until you see it. In that bottom right area, look for a section labeled Advanced Actions. This section is where Cloudflare groups more powerful options that affect how your site is handled, so it's a good idea to be careful when using anything here. Within the Advanced Actions section, you'll see several buttons or links related to your zone settings. One of these options will be Pause Cloudflare on Site. Before clicking it, remember what this will do. After pausing, Cloudflare will effectively step out of the way and your visitors will connect directly to your web server. This is perfect if you're trying to figure out whether an issue is caused by Cloudflare or by your origin hosting. If your site becomes unreachable after pausing, it's likely a problem with the origin server or its configuration. When you're ready, click Pause Cloudflare on Site. Cloudflare may show you a confirmation message explaining what pausing does. Read that message carefully to make sure this is what you intend to do, then confirm your choice. Once you confirm, Cloudflare will update your zone so that its proxy features are paused. It might take a short time for the change to propagate, but usually it's fairly quick. You can open your website in a new browser tab or use an external tool to confirm that Cloudflare headers are no longer present in the response, indicating that traffic is now going directly to your origin. If you later decide you want Cloudflare's protection and performance features back, you can return to the same overview page and follow the on-screen option to re-enable Cloudflare for the site. That way you can switch back and forth as needed without losing your configuration. And that's all you need to do to pause a website on Cloudflare. Open your Cloudflare dashboard, select your domain, scroll to the bottom right of the overview page, find the Advanced Actions section, and click Pause Cloudflare on Site.